Hello students, welcome to NEET with Satya ma'am. Today let us see one important chapter that you should prepare for your NEET exams, that's waves and oscillations. Why do I say this is very important? Because every year you get at least one question from the part of waves and one from oscillation. Combined together we get 3 questions from this part, waves and oscillations. Okay, let us see what areas to focus in these chapters, waves and oscillations. In waves you should be thorough with basics of mechanical, progressive and stationary waves, principle of superposition of waves, then standing waves in string and organ pipes. This is an important area where you get questions over the last few years, and then formation of beats, then Doppler effect. These are the areas that you should focus in waves. In case of oscillation, you should be thorough with this simple harmonic motion, their displacement, then phase, velocity, acceleration, time period, all these parts you should cover. Then spring pendulum, energy of simple harmonic motion, simple pendulum, seconds pendulum, damped simple harmonic motion, forced oscillation and resonance. These parts you should cover. Over the last 5 years you get questions from simple harmonic motion, in that either from displacement or velocity or acceleration you get question any one of these areas. Okay, let us see how the questions were over the last 3 years in 2018, 19 and 2020. In 2018 you had 2 questions from waves. One question was from open organ pipe and closed organ pipe. It is a direct formula based question, so students felt it easy. Another question was from resonance part. Resonance length was given and you were asked to calculate the frequency. You have to use 2 formulas in this for this question. So the students did not feel too easy as that of the previous question. However, it was a moderate question. If you know the formula, you will be able to solve this question. You had one question in oscillation. It was from time period of oscillation. Okay, so this is also a direct formula based question. So students felt it easy. In 2019, you had 3 questions in oscillation. You didn't have any question from the part of waves. You had all three questions from oscillation. One question was graphical question. It was to find the equation of displacement. It is all similar examples you have in NCERT, so students felt it easy. Another question was to find out the average velocity of simple harmonic motion. You have similar models in NCERT, so this was also an easy question. One question was from displacement of particle of simple harmonic motion. You have similar problem in NCERT in this area also, so students felt this question also to be easy. So all the 3 questions in 2019 was easy from students' perspective. In 2020, you had 1 question from waves and 1 question from oscillation. Okay, generally the distribution is at least 1 from each part. Sometimes there may not be, the distribution may not be exactly the same. At least 2 to 3 questions you get from waves and oscillation. In waves, you had 1 question from beats. It was based on tension in the string and to find out the frequency, and this question you have the concept of string in your NCERT, and this question was felt easy. One question was from oscillation. It was regarding the relation between displacement and acceleration. Okay, in simple harmonic motion you had this question, and this is also a direct formula based question, so student felt it easy. Okay, so the questions from this chapter are not too tough, so be prepared with this chapter and work out the NCERT examples. Okay, so that helps you to solve the questions from this chapter. Do follow my videos and subscribe to have the updates of NEET exams. Thank you.